Jesus' name.
My Lord, we call maybe hi guys or say in Jesus' name.
I want to pray to win.
You've not welcomed them. You are saying in Jesus' name.
I welcome them.
Alright. Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in case you're new here, I'm sorry if you're hearing any noise, but I'm sure they will be hearing us. So in case you're new here, hello, my name is Jessica and this is my beloved husband. What's your name, mister?
My name is Nestor Ndoka.
Yes, Nestor Ndoka. But you can call him Nestor. Nestor. Italian. Italians would call him Nestor. Anyways, guys, you can see obviously from the title of the video and from what you can see here, we are doing a challenge. It's just egg challenge. We have a couple of euros here, so whoever that finishes these eggs first blindfolded takes the money. Are you ready?
And guess who will win?
Do you think you will win this game?
Sure.
Guys, who are you rooting for? Root for me, okay? Team Jessica in the comment section, Team Nestor in the comment section.
Sure.
Let's go.
Going to win.
So I'm going to set a timer. Okay, you don't know I came prepared. We are going to set.
Who will be monitoring the time?
No, once the time is up, it will start ringing.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, copy.
So I'm going to set the timer for 5 minutes, right?
5 minutes, is it not too much?
See, egg can be very difficult to chew and swallow, so don't get it twisted, okay?
It's not even swallowing as the issue. What matters is who finishes first.
And you have to crack
if
it.
I don't treat, it's not your problem. Yes.
Okay, I'm setting it for, guys,
for 5 minutes.
5 or 8 minutes. What do you think? 5 or 8 minutes? He's looking at the eggs.
5 minutes is okay to finish 5 eggs. What type?
Remember, we are going to crack
going
it. So let's set it for 7 minutes, guys. 7 minutes is okay. Hey, how am I going to do it? I'm going to set it like this so that they can see it as well. Are you guys seeing it? Okay, I'm going to put my blindfold now before.
No, you will set. Is the alarm set now?
No,
if you blindfold,
once we are ready,
how are you going to play?
That's the problem now. That's what I'm thinking of.
What you will do, you add extra 1 minute.
Right? Yes, extra 1 minute. Okay, let's say 8 minutes for tying. So let me press the start button so we can start tying. 1, 2, go. God. Tie it well, oh. No cheating, please. Let me see your eyes.
Stand there, baby. It's hot though.
It's hot, oh.
I also tie my mouth. How am I going to eat?
You are supposed to tie your eyes, not your mouth. So, father. Mom. Hey, Jesus. send me water. Guys, can any of you put water for me, please? Pour some water. Where is it? Here it goes. Talk now. Talk.
I'm done now. Can I open now? I'm done.
Open. Open our bed.
I told you, 5 minutes is too much. How, where are we? 4 minutes. You see, I'm right. How can I eat one egg in 2 minutes?
4 minutes, guys.
This one is even too small. I don't know why you didn't make it 500. How can you be trying me, a whole me?
Oh my God.
Eh? Then you will revisit your camera, so camera will tell you what happened and how I was able to free you. Of course. What are you talking? The egg is too small. The man that have not eaten since this morning, I've not done my collation and you are talking about 5 eggs. 5 minutes is too much. I told you.
Guys,
I was even able to pour the water without view.
how did you do it? 5 eggs blindfolded.
Stay there now, go and visit your camera.
Are you sure you didn't hide any? Because I'm suspecting you.
I finished and drank water, so you are still there talking.
Guys,
You see?
hey.
Before she will change her mind. This one can go a long way. This one can go to church 2 times. This one 2 times at least. I'm covered 1 month. When are we going to do another one? 500 euro. Prepare tomorrow. We'll do with 1 crate.
1 crate of eggs. How did you do it, Biko Kwenu?
Let me keep my money first.
Guys,
I told you 5 minutes is too much.
Like
what
this
are you
is-
talking?
this is unbelievable. I was actually thinking that 8 minutes is not even enough. I was thinking of 10 minutes.
If
This one chocolate me.
if you are me,
now what for
that
you?
is so always ready, prepared for the competition. Any type of competition.
Like, I'm even full. Oh. I'm already full.
Can I help you? You put another 100 euro.
Just to eat this one. I beg you, take it if you want to eat.
Keep it for the kiss.
Now, wow, guys, that is it now.
So, who won?
I will know. I will know when I'm eating because
Okay, let's count.
it's actually true. See, because
I told you don't go, don't try me.
100. Where is the money?
It's in my drawer.
In your drawer.
It's in my drawer. Allora,
Men and money. Can't you pity your wife? Can't you just slow down and allow your wife to win this game? Because there is money put in it. That's why you were rushing the egg.
no.
I hope you didn't choke. Oh.
Even if I choke, it's not your choke. It's my choke. It's my choke. So don't bother about it.
I was hyping myself. Oh. I was telling myself that there's no how I'm not going to win this game because is it not just egg?
When are we going to do another one?
And he's even ready for another one. What is in your stomach?
Stay there now. I can put all of them here like a squirrel. What's this animal they call?
Is it squirrel?
You put everything here. 5 of them we put it here and be
swallowing it gradually.
One by one. Let's do pro now. Come, 5 chicken at once. 5 chicken.
It's true, guys. 5
chickens.
5. We just ate 5 whole chicken. Now,
if Ganila see you doing this, you'll be his enemy.
It will start pursuing you. You can't see now what?
You need one. Put another one here. One here. One here.
This is so funny. But I'm not happy that you are the one that won this game. It's well. Don't worry. Next time I will try my best. Because I think this time around my best wasn't enough, I guess. So it's okay. No problem.
So
enjoy your win.
Guys, I'm always ready for this type of competition.
100
you can
euro
invite
gone.
me in your house. Let's try.
100 euro gone just like that, but it's okay. We move, right, guys? We move. I'm going to win you next time. I promise.
Do it fast.
Okay. Okay, guys.
So that
Let's
I can
see.
fill my pocket within this short period of time. I'm into something.
Into something? What are you into?
I'm into program. So I can have enough money to do the program.
Oh my goodness. Alright,
Yeah.
that's it, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this fun game. Even though I didn't win, but I still enjoyed filming this video with my beloved husband. Thank you so much for
Up me! Fellow men in the house, we're always on top, on top. We are made to be on top and we remain on top. Hai capito?
non ho capito niente.
Non capisci
Per
niente,
questo proprio,
niente.
ascoltami, per questo proprio
Non capisci.
non ho capito
Non capisci
niente.
nulla. Capirai
Even though I
quando
didn't win.
arriviamo al punto
Basta.
decisione.
Oga, basta. I know you won. So can we hear what? Can we? You see that money? I must get it back. I must in the next one.
Tomorrow.
Better come prepared.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
And we are going to do it with 10 this time. 10 eggs. Because
It's not going to be another egg challenge. You think I will come here again with egg challenge? Okay. I'm going to come with a tougher one. You trust me now. Shebi, you are happy now. It's okay.
So I will always.
Do you know what 100 euro is in Nigerian currency now? Close to 100,000 naira, around 80 something thousand.
That's
what my husband collected, and he's happy. Instead of him to allow me the wife.
Not 50-50 or 100. Or are you trying to?
All of them. I'm calculating all of them. Everything.
All capito.
And now you lose 50, 100. Anyways, guys, thank you so very much for watching this fun game. I hope you come back next time to watch another one. That is if we have another one.
And by the way, this morning here is a 2-day work job. 2 days job. So I have just gotten 2 days job.
All in just under 5 minutes.
Under 5 minutes, yeah. 2 days. Who does that? It's better to stay at home and make money than going out.
Make whose Whose money? Whose money? not even try me.
I wish
You want to use me to shine.
If you be coming up every day, I will resign from my work. I'll quickly resign. So let's be doing it every day. I'll prepare my resignation letter.
Guys, please, if you leave my husband here, he's going to talk and talk and I'll keep laughing, please.
Let me calculate in my mouth from today's currency in Nigeria. What are you?
I think it's up to 82,000.
Let's check what they are, because it goes up, it goes down. Let's check today's currency.
The last time I checked, it was 82, maybe 86. I can't even remember.
Today.
So
today is 836.
1 euro.
836 naira for each 1 euro. 1 euro is 836 naira 30 kobo. Then you times it. 836 times 100.
My calculator.
836. I need the point here. What is this one to me? 136.
It's the alarm. That's the alarm.
Okay, because it's not yet.
The time I mean to say. Oh, you see, I was actually right. 83.
636 naira.
Yes, that's what he just won.
It's big there, but
yeah,
yes,
it's small.
It's nothing, because this thing cannot even pay your light bill. That's the problem.
In some cases,
it's big, but the big is just
big for nothing.
Big for nothing. Yeah.
But it's actually useful in Nigeria.
It's useful in Nigeria, and we are not living in Nigeria, so automatically this is a small money. So next time you prepare for big money. Next time for you to invite me for a challenge, you need to bring money, because actually for me to even appear on camera, I'm supposed to be charging you what senators are charging in Nigeria.
Can you imagine?
Until you begin to do it every day, then I will leave my charge. I will just give you the grace of not charging you penny to appear in camera.
Sure.
Actually, it's after Father's Day. If it is Mother's Day, my mother and my mother-in-law would have gotten their part of share. So it's Father's Day, everything goes to me.
Hey God,
No,
where on earth did I meet this man from?
Your time is still not yet ready, so more eggs, more eggs.
I beg. Thanks guys for watching. I'm out of here. Okay, if you like, stay there and be looking for more eggs.
For more combination.
Bye,
Should I
guys.
wait here?
Sit there.
I'm waiting. Let me cover my face. No one is coming.
70 years old man, oh.
I even cover my mouth. Yes, I still find it. I covered my mouth. Yes, I found it. Wow. Shit.
Shit. Be guys. Tell them bye-bye.
My fellow men and gentle ladies out there.
Gentle ladies.
Yeah, gentle ladies out there and viewers and all. I say good day to every one of you. I hope you are doing great. May God see you through your projects this time around in the name of Jesus.
Amen. Thank you, sir.
Till we meet again.
Yes, so
bye.